Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Undertale on trombone. It is a fun challenge to adapt beloved video game music for a brass instrument. We will explore how to approach these iconic tunes, focusing on the unique capabilities of the trombone. Get ready to bring the world of Undertale to life with your instrument, mastering both the music and your technique. This guide will help you start your musical journey. Selecting the right Undertale songs is crucial for a successful adaptation. Look for pieces with memorable, distinct melodies that translate well to the trombone's voice. You might need to simplify some of the more intricate harmonies, focusing on the core tune. Remember to transpose the music into a key that is comfortable for your instrument, typically within its 2.5 octave range, ensuring ease of play. To truly capture the spirit of Undertale's music, focus on refining your trombone techniques. Smooth legato playing will help connect phrases, while clear articulation gives each note definition. Strong breath support is essential for sustaining those longer, emotional notes and for navigating challenging passages. Precise slide control ensures accurate pitch and intonation, making your performance sound polished and professional. Many resources are available to help you on your journey. Search for existing sheet music or MIDI files of Undertale songs, which you can then adapt for your trombone. Online tutorials and backing tracks can be invaluable tools for practice, helping you stay in time and develop your sound. Finally, consider performing your arrangements for friends or recording your music to share with the wider community.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.